Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to talk about a movie which when I saw, it's still making me thinking about our future. It's a 2017 movie. I think many have seen, but I saw it recently on Netflix. The name of the movie is Downsizing. Downsizing. As the name shows, downsizing means you get smaller. Now what's the idea behind this movie and which makes me so much thoughtful about its content is that if we want to survive in the future, considering today's enormous needs, enormous expenditures which we have, will it be better if we downsize ourselves? Will it be better if we have lesser needs, if we are small in size? Look at the ants, look at the cockroaches, look at lot of species which have a very small size and they have better chance of surviving for longer time, considering they consume less food, they need less space to live. And what if there's a particular city devoted to such species? And what if such particular city, in such particular city, everything goes wrong? What if when we get downsized, we are controlled by the capitalists? That's the main thought, main principle, a main idea, main philosophy in this movie. It's a wonderful movie, and it makes you thinking about it makes you to think about our future, that do we need so many things to survive? Aren't these all technical developments, all the commercial worlds are becoming too much burden on ourselves? That's also another idea in this movie which I liked, and that's why this movie is very close to my heart and my mind also. So please go and watch Downsizing. I'm giving its Netflix link. You can go to the description, watch, and go directly to the link, or you can see the thumbnail, see the poster, and find the movie on some other place. Please watch it, the Downsizing, and do subscribe our channel. Please share this video. Thank you very much.